Do you want to learn how to make spices? Well, here's 7 best spices making courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Professional Spices / Masala Making Training by StartupYo. This is a comprehensive spices course that will help you in making your spices. They provide step-by-step instructional video, notes, and e-certificate. Topics covered in this course are: introduction about spices, making of different spices, making of long-lasting spices, practical knowledge of chaat masala, rasam masala, chaat masala, chuli masala, salad masala, sambar masala, sandwich masala, biryani masala, pav bhaji masala, shahi paneer masala, sabzi masala, pani puri masala, jaljeera powder masala, garam masala, lassi masala, choosing the right kind of material, cleaning of spices, roasting of spices, importance of cooling. You will learn the practical knowledge of making different types of Indian spices. You will know what spices are all about. You will learn ways of choosing the right kind of material. You will learn how to clean the spices. You will learn how to select right method of roasting the spices. You will learn the importance of cooling. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Herbalism, Complete Guide to Spices and Spice Blending by Udemy. In this course you will learn about 30 different spices, how to make different types of spice blends, health benefits, and much more. Topics covered in this course are: 30 spices and their benefits, spice blends, flavor profiles, sourcing your spices, spice storing, toasting your spices, grinding your spices. You will learn about 30 different types of spices. You will learn about the benefits of spices. You will learn the pairing of food with its exact spice. You will learn 20 different ways of blending spices at home. You will learn caring of spices and how to safeguard them, how to toast spices for elevated flavor and aroma. You will learn ways of grinding your own spices for full flavor and freshness. You will learn the different flavor profiles of spices. This course is for everyone who is interested in spice making. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Taste of India, 25 Masala Powders of Indian Cuisine by Udemy. This course is about secrets of masala powder and how to make high-quality Indian masala powder. Topics covered in this course: 25 masala powders together, sambar masala powder, Mysore rasam powder, Udupi rasam powder, Vatha Kuzhambu powder, masala chai mix, masala milk mix powder, garam masala, biryani masala. You will learn secrets of masala powder and taste associated with it. You will learn 25 different Indian masala powders recipes. You will learn how to make high-quality Indian masala powder. You will learn to make masala powder in a cost-effective manner, without any preservation. You will learn how to use each masala. You will learn different benefits of making masala powder instead of purchasing the ready-made masala powders. This course is for hotel management students, budding chef, Indian food business, homemakers, Indian food lovers, and for everyone who is interested in mastering the art of masala powder. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Spiceology 101, Chinese Spices by Udemy. This course is based on Chinese spices. After the end of this course you can identify Chinese spices as well as the extraction method to get the most out of spices. This course is an introduction to the world of Chinese spices. Topics covered are: firecracker popcorn, ramyeon, dumplings, mapo tofu. You can learn ways to identify the main spices of broad Chinese cuisine. You can learn 3 methods with which you can extract maximum flavor. You will learn recipes and approaches to this world-famous classic Chinese recipes. You can formulate oils, stocks, and sauces. You will understand the general theory of spices. You will learn how to combine dry spices and water extraction that is used in making dumplings. This course is for the ones who are interested in Chinese spices, home cooks, and Indian food freaks. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Spiceology 101, Middle East. This course is about the spices of the Middle East. At the end of this course you can easily identify Middle Eastern spices and make your own spice blends. Topics covered are: introduction and tools, spices, recipes. You will learn to identify the main spices of broad Middle East cuisine. You will learn about spice blending procedure and general aroma. You will learn how to formulate spice blends and build your own spice blend. You will learn about basic tools and ingredients. You will know about different categories of spices. You will learn to identify spice combinations. You will learn the making procedure of a classic Middle Eastern spice blend of Baharat. This course is for Middle East spice lovers. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, Making Your Own Spices from Scratch by Joshua Weisman YouTube, free course. This free copywriting course is from instructor Joshua Weisman, which you can access through YouTube. It focuses on how to make your own spices. Topics covered in this course are setting up dehydrator, dried herbs, chili powder, tomato and onion skin, garlic powder, mushroom. You will learn how to dry your herbs using dehydrator. You will learn the process of making chili powder. You will learn about ways of using tomato and onion skin as spices. You will learn to make your own garlic powder. You will learn techniques of making mushroom powder. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. 7th Course Beginner's Guide to Buying, Storing, and Organizing Spices by Ethan Chlebowski YouTube, free course. This 7-minute course is all about spices, focuses on buying, storing, and organizing spices. Topics covered are spicy introduction. What are spices? Ground versus whole spices. Why spices lose flavor. Storing spices. What spices to buy. Top 5 used spices. Basic spices. Saving money. List of spices and its prices. You will learn what spices are. You will learn the difference between ground and whole spices. You will come to know the reasons behind why spices lose flavor. You will learn the process of storing spices for a longer period of time. You will learn about picking method. What spices are best to buy. You will learn the top 5 spices that are commonly used. You will learn basic spices that are commonly used in home cooking methods. You will know about ways of saving money on spices. You will be introduced to a lot of spices and their pricing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.